Just got my new wrench set right here from off of Amazon. Just got delivered. Thought I'd open it on camera so you guys can see it if you're thinking about getting one. I know I always like those videos, find them helpful. Just seeing the product's always a nice thing. Nice little Velcro right there. I mean, it's definitely got some real weight to it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so you got the whole set right there from 18 all the way up to 32. Let's pull a couple of these out, just quality inspect them right here. Looks nice, feels nice. Good case too, actually. Easier to do with two hands here, but yeah, like there's not any stitching or anything. It's all super strong, thick fabric everywhere. Here's size 22. Solid wrench set.